Hey, so this is Century Homes. This is what it looked like when they're actually done. So you can kind of see the feel of the house. So this is one of their bedrooms up here. This is their bathroom. This is the one like right by the front door. And then here is another bedroom and their closet. Let me take my shoes off because I don't want to mess up their carpet. Okay, here is the closet. And then that's the front door there. Then come down some. Here is the laundry room. And then the garage is right there. We have another bedroom here and the closet is here. Okay. Here is the closet. And then this is the furnace. And then this is the kitchen. I like the color of the cabinets. The dishwasher's over here. This is really nice. The fridge will go right there in that spot. You can put some bar stools right here, be really nice. And then this can be like your living room area. You can put your couches and stuff right here. Put you a nice dining room table right here. Then this is the outside of this house. You know, every outside is different. And then here is the owner's suite / master bedroom. So this is actually a nice size. And then here is a master bathroom. If I can find the light switch. So you got double vanity, you have a shower here, and then here is the closet. So here, that's everything. You see I put you a nice shower rod up right there. And then this would be your double vanity, your double sinks. And then this would be your bedroom, your living room, your dining room, your kitchen, your pantry. We didn't look at that. So this will be your pantry right here. Store everything in here. You have your laundry room and a garage. You got a bedroom right there, a little closet right there. It's your front door, bedroom right there, bedroom right there, and then a bedroom. I mean, not bathroom right there, and then a bedroom right here. So yeah, this is the 4-bedroom, 2-bath home.